Hi everyone, this is Jessa Di Baguio. Today I will discuss about trigonometric function. So are you ready to listen? Alright, so let's start. Have you ever heard of the expression so katawa? What do you think this expression means? In this lesson, we're going to focus on right triangle trigonometry. Let's say if this is the angle theta. Now, there's three sides of this triangle that is need to be familiar with. Opposite to theta, this is the opposite side. And next angle theta is the adjacent side. And across the box are the right angle of the triangle, which is the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is the longer side of the triangle. Now, if you ever recall, this is A, B, and C. The Pythagorean theorem applies to right triangle. A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. But we're not going to focus on that too much, but just to familiar with that equation. Now, let's talk about the six trigonometric functions in terms of sine, cosine, tangent, opposite side, adjacent, hypotenuse. Sine theta according to SOHCAHTOA is for sine, O is for opposite, H for hypotenuse. Sine theta is equals to opposite divided by hypotenuse. Cosine theta is equals to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Ka is for cosine, is adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent theta toward equals to opposite side divided by adjacent side. So that is the tangent ratio. It's opposite over adjacent. Now we know that the cosecant is 1 over sine, so cosecant is basically hypotenuse divided by the opposite side. So you just need to flip this particular function. Secant is the reciprocal of cosine, so secant is going to be hypotenuse over adjacent. Cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent, so if this tangent is opposite over adjacent, cotangent is adjacent divided by the opposite side. Now, let's say if we're given a right triangle and we have the value of two sides, let's say this is 3 and this is 4, and here's the angle theta. Find a missing side of the right triangle and then find the values of all six trigonometric functions: sine, cosine, tangent, secant, cosecant, and cotangent. Now, to find the missing side, we need to use the Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus B squared equals to C squared. So A is 3, B is 4, and we got to find the missing side C, which is the hypotenuse. So 3 squared is equals to 9, 4 squared is equals to 16, 9 plus 16 is equals to 25. And if we take the square root of both sides, you can see that the hypotenuse is 5. So now, let's finish this problem. So what is the value of sine theta? So according to SOHCAHTOA, we know that sine theta is equals to the opposite side divided by the adjacent side. And the part so opposite to theta is 4 and hypotenuse is 5. So therefore, sine theta is going to be 4 divided by 5. Now, cosine theta is equals to the adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse. So we said 4 is the opposite side, 5 is the hypotenuse, and 3 is the adjacent side. So in this case, it's going to be 3 divided by 5, so that the value of cosine. Now, find the value of tangent. Tangent theta according to TOA is equals to the opposite side divided by the adjacent side. So that's going to be 4 divided by 3. So that's the value of tangent. Now, once we have these 3, we can easily find the other 3 to find cosecants. It's run over sine. To just flip this function is going to be 5 over 4. And second is the reciprocal of cosine. So flip this fraction second is going to be 5 over 3. Cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent. So if the tangent is 4 over 3, cotangent is going to be 3 over 4. And that's how you can find the value of the 6 trigonometric functions. That's the end of this lesson or video discussion. I hope that all of you got more information to this topic and got more knowledge about trigonometric functions. So see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.